In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to SOL using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the swap process between these two cryptocurrencies. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application. Ensure that you are logged into your wallet. Once the application loads, you will be presented with the home screen, which displays your wallet balance and various options. Next, locate and click on the swap option displayed prominently on the home screen. This will direct you to the swap interface where you can exchange one cryptocurrency for another. After the swap interface loads, you will see two sections labeled You Pay and You Receive. In the You Pay section, click on the drop-down menu to select USDT. This action allows you to choose the exchange. In the You Receive section, click the drop-down menu and select SOL. This indicates the cryptocurrency you want to receive in exchange for your USDT. Ensure both selections are correct before proceeding to the next step. Now, enter the amount of USDT you wish to convert into SOL. Be mindful of your available balance, as the amount you enter should not exceed your current USDT holdings. Once you have input the desired amount, review it carefully. Click on the swap button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation window will appear summarizing the swap details, including the amount of USDT you are exchanging and the amount of SOL you will receive. This is a crucial moment to double-check the transaction information. After verifying the details, click Confirm to complete the transaction. At this point, the begin, and you may see a loading indicator as your transaction is processed. Wait for the confirmation message that indicates the transaction has been completed successfully. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.